dinosaur place with 3 crews. It has different types of game modes. You can buy items that can help you, and it has different maps. Now, you're going to see a gameplay of what the game is like. I'm so pro at this. Oh, never mind. I just died. Next game. See, here we have horrific housing. And this game is like natural disaster, but you survive in-house. 3. If you die fast, can you explore? And do the obvious lobby? Look, I'm a soapy. Basuki. Series. Is it evil gameplay mine? 3. And not audio. Again, I hate this 3. Greater than. Oh boy, I'm so pro at this. I hope not being smashed by a rocket. Next game, without audio and video. This game is like Russian roulette and cards, but greater than 2-3. Very funny for me. Game called Death Inside Box.